Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to enable policy links in the footer on your Shopify store. Now, before we get started, you can get up to 3-month free trial with special offers with our links down below. So if you want to get that, you can get that with our links down below. However, let's get started with the video. So obviously, first thing that you want to do is you want to add or generate store policies in English. To do this, you need to go to settings and go to policies and then enter your store policies or click create from template. You can use rich text editor to add style and formatting to your policies as well. Now keep in mind here, you can also use ChatGPT if you want. However, that is the first step. So you just added or generated store policies in English. Next thing that you want to do is you want to add your policies to your store menus. Now go to the online store, go to the navigation and click the name of the menu where you want to add the policies. You can name this a footer menu and then add the menu item in that menu. Obviously enter the name for the policies menu item. If it's a privacy policy, refund policy, and then search for your policy and click add. Then you'll need to save the menu. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to go on your theme, customize your theme, and then scroll to the footer section and add that menu. However, sometimes it happens that you can't do that. So what you want to do is you want to actually go and you want to do something like this. So as you can see, you can go to your theme code editor and search for a file named footer.liquid in the sections folder and then search for policies keyword. Now, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. And what you want to do in href section, you want to add the URL of the policy page you want to add. Now, as you can see, here's the screenshot for the reference. If we click on the screenshot here, we can see right here, we have a and then href. Here you want to add the link of your policy. So again, whether or not you have a policy link or not, you want to add it here. And now your policy links will take you to your desired page. Now, obviously, if that doesn't work, make sure to comment down below and I'll help you out with setting up your policies the right way. Also, if you want to get a special offer with 3 months free trial for your Shopify store, you can get one with our links down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.